Comet K 2025 aspirants. So here is an important update for all of you. So you know that due to the war situation, the exams were cancelled in certain centers, right? So the new exam dates have been announced. So let's see that in detail. So you can go to the Comet K official website. So the exam will be conducted on 25th May 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, there are other important details also. Let's see that. So click here for new dates. You can click on this. You will be directed to this particular page. Now you know that the exams were completely cancelled in these centers: Jamnagar, Ambala, Srinagar, Jammu, Ludhiana, Bhatinda, Jalandhar, Mohali, Patiala, Amritsar, Jodhpur, Bikaner and Sri Ganganagar. And the third session, that is 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m., that last session or the third session on May 10th was cancelled or postponed in certain centers, that is New Delhi, Ajmer, Alwar, Vilwara, Jaipur, Kota, Sikar, Udaipur, Dehradun, Haldwani and Roorkee, right? So now the new dates have been announced. We'll see that. So the new dates will be on Sunday 25th May and the whole exam will be conducted in only one session, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And we have the new schedule as well here. So 21st of May 2025 at 4 p.m. the start date to download the revised TAT. Your admit card, revised admit card will be released on 21st of May at 4 p.m. And you can download it up to 25th of May 2025 till 2 p.m. That is before the exam starts. And the exam will be conducted on 25th May 2025, that is on Sunday from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now there are some other important events for other students as well. So on 28th of May 2025, 11 a.m. Wednesday, the publishing of provisional answer keys and start date for objection. Okay, so the provisional answer key will be published. Also, you will be having a chance to object the answer key. Next, 30th of May 2025, 4 p.m. till that Friday, the last date for receiving the challenges or objections to the provisional answer keys. Okay, before that you can, if you find any question is challenging or the answer given is wrong, you can challenge that. Then on 4th June 2025, 12 noon, publishing of final answer keys will be there. The final answer keys you will get. And on 7th June 2025, 2 p.m. the ranks or the scorecards will be made alive. Okay, so your ranks or results will be out on 7th of June 2025, 2 p.m. Clear? So following this revised session and completion of the examination for all the enlisted candidates, the provisional answer keys will be made available to all the participants who have participated in this year exam. Okay, so that is what is given. So all the best students. Now you can start preparing. On 25th of May 2025 from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. the exams will be conducted. Okay, so thank you for watching and all the best.